Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson 9 of learning how to read Arabic. So let's start off with the first letter then. This is the letter Ta. Ta. So imagine that shape is like the shape of a mouth. Have a fath on there and pronounce it Ta. So it's like ta, ta, but you raise the tongue up to the palate and you pronounce it Ta. Ta. So try that with me. Ta. 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 And the best way to do it is look in the mirror and try practicing it, looking at yourself. Ta. The next one is similar to ta again. However, this time this has a little dot on top. So that dot is like you pronounce it from your nose. Dha. 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 Like put your teeth or your tongue, between your teeth and pronounce it dha. Like in English the word that. So when you say that same putting the tongue between the teeth, you say that. Dha. Dha. So ta and dha. The next one is it's like a semicircle with a dot on top. Looks like a nose. So na. Na. Put a fath on there. Pronounce it as na. Na. Okay, so like a red nose there. So you have na. Na. And the fourth is a curly line, like a swirl. Right. And this is wa. Okay. So it's like curling, like a whirlpool, going round and round and round, twisting up, curling up. So that's wa. 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 So say it with me. Wa. Ta. Dha. Na. Wa. Let's try it with a dhamma then. So have a go. Tu. Tu. Dhu. Dhu. Nu. Nu. And wu. Wu. So tu. Dhu. Nu. Wu. Now let's try it with the kasra then. So have a go yourselves. Ti. 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 Dhi. 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 Ni. 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 And we. We. So have a go. Ti. Dhi. Ni. We. Okay, now let's try a few combinations then. So okay, so we've got a ta there, we've got a, remember that letter, a ba, and we've got here a one on the top, it's kha, kha, and we've got a ta, ta. So let's put some vowels on these then. Put some fathas there. And let's put a sukoon there. So tu, ta, ta, ba, kha, and tu. Ta, ba, kha, and tu. And remember, whenever you have a sukoon, you join the previous letter, sound of the previous letter with it. So you merge them together. So you say bakh, bakh. So tabakhtu. Okay, so again, let's put some dhammas on the letters. Okay, let's put kasra. And let's put a sukoon on the kha again. So have a go at this one then. So tu and the ba and the kha is going to be joined together. So you're going to have tu bikh. So the ba and the kha joined together. The bikh. So it has like a very heavy sound from the throat. Bikh. Clearing your throat. Okay, let's have a go at some more letters then. So we have a there. We have a na there. we have a a there, and we have a ta. Right, so let's put some vowels on there then. Okay, so some fathas, and remember, try to have a go as well before I pronounce them. So remember, join them together. So an, a, a. So you got a there, you got a there, and you got ta. So an, am, ta, an, am, ta. So you join the a and the noon together, becomes an. You join the a and the meme together, which becomes am. Pronounce it with me. And the ta, you pronounce it with the fatha, ta. So it becomes an, or an, am, ta. An, join together, an, am, ta. An, am, ta. So when you write them, remember, when you write them, the noon is going to join with the ayn. So you cut off the tail of the ayn, a. The ma is going to join with the ta. So you merge it together. And it should, you can have a go at writing this as well at home. It should actually come out something like this. Okay, so that looks a bit different from the original letters, because Arabic, remember, is different from English. We have to merge. So an'amta. Now if you look at Surah Al-Fatiha that we read in Salah, so here you have that word an'amta, an'amta, an'amta. So have a go yourselves, try what we learned so far, try it again and again, inshallah, and hopefully see you guys in the next video. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.